Okay, I am here again with another purple eyeshadow palette. I love purples. I mean, I just love purples so much. This one really caught my eyes from Viseart or Viseart. I don't know how to pronounce their name. I only have two eyeshadow palettes, this new one and the old one. This mini one, which is a cool tone, which is a neutral, a little bit of purple shades. But this one is more of a purple palette. So this is the Violette Etendu. They also came up with another one, which is a warm, peachy, I think peachy eyeshadow palette. So this one, it's the purple, golden purple eyeshadow palette. And let me remove this packaging. Ah, so pretty, guys. So I know I mentioned before that I'm into golden shades, but there's something about this palette. Now I'm gonna talk about this one. So like I mentioned on my intro, that they came out with two shades, which is the cool warm tone one and this purple one. So they retail for $44 each. Yes, $44. So this brand, it's not cheap at all. So it says 12 sumptuous ultra saturated shades inspired by cult favorite Viseart palettes. Like I mentioned, I do not have that many products from this brand, so I'm just starting to buy from them. So this one $44, and is it expensive with the swatches or so pretty to go? So pretty. So now I'm gonna, that's enough talking, and then I'm gonna show you guys the inside. And this is $44. It is actually really tiny. It's just a tiny bit bigger than the mini size. I have the mini size, I think. Yeah, this is the mini, and this is the, I think, the other ones. You can see, guys, it's a tiny bit bigger than their mini like, or this mini palette. So this one I think was $35 when I bought this one, and this one like I said, $44. It is very pricey though, but it's almost like it's just a tiny bit bigger than this mini one. Anyways, let me show you guys the inside again. So it's a cool tone purple eyeshadow, which I don't know, I think I don't have. Yeah, I don't, because I mentioned before that I'm not into cotton shades. But something different from my from Viseart, I think. So I don't have, like I mentioned, I don't have that many. I feel like it's gonna pop out any soon. But anyway, so yeah, let's go test this out. Then I'm also gonna just watch this, guys, if you're interested. So I already primer lids. I already said it so many times. So I'm gonna do a cool tone purple eye makeup today, which is like very rare for me. So I'm gonna be using this shade. They don't have names. No, they don't have names. So I'm just gonna point this out to you guys, I guess. So I'm just gonna take this shade. That looks a little patchy. Oh, I did not notice it right away. Taking this shade, this one. Let's see. This one also is just a tiny bit patchy, but not as bad as the transition shade. So it's blending out, actually not bad at all. Blending out great. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit, I guess. We'll continue with the shade, this dark plummy purple shade. I'm gonna apply this matte purple, I think lilac violet color, I don't know. And this soft, it's not exactly shimmery, it's almost like satin purple. And it's gonna apply this one on top of the matte shade. Next, this light pink purple, yeah. Just gonna add it right here. Now, you know what? I'm not gonna wing out my eyes right now because I do not have liquid liner with me right now. I'm so lazy to get up, so I think I'm just gonna add this Danessa Myricks multichrome pigment for the eyes. And I'm gonna use my finger with this one because I don't want this to be like too pigmented. It's like a sheer of like color. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my finger. Just there you go. The halo eye effect. Oh wow, that's actually really pretty. So I'm just gonna continue with the rest of my makeup off camera. Yeah, you know the drill, and I'll be right back. Now I'm gonna do my lower lashes. I'm gonna take this purple, purple like violet color. It's very pretty. It's a matte shade, but I really like this one. Oh my god. So I'm also wearing this one underneath the shimmery like soft lilac color. Then this light gray like shimmer gray shade in the corners. And this is the completed eye makeup look. I really love this color. This one on top of this. Ooh, so pretty. So these three right here are soft shimmers, mostly matte shades. So love the purple shades, but the mattes they were a little bit patchy. This one position shade patchy. This one was also patchy. This one right here actually wasn't that bad at all. It was a little bit easier to work with than these lighter shades. I don't know why. But overall, guys, I think it was an okay palette. I just wish the matte shades, you know, were not patchy. So I'm definitely going to update you guys with this because I don't know how I feel about this palette. $44 for like a patchy palette. And these three right here are the only ones that I like actually really like, or these four right here. So yeah, was an okay palette. So let me know guys if you purchased this one from Viseart or the other palette, which is the warm tone eyeshadow palette. And this is the end of my video. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next video.